Okay, this time I'm going to show you how to design the cactus. Cactus is pretty easy here. So, yeah, what we need is this shape up here, right? This sort of barrel. I'm just going to make a square here. Make it black because I like to work in lines. Okay. And I'll make the width like exactly something. So I'll make it 70. There we go. Make a circle here. Hold down shift. And make this exactly 70. Okay. And then I take this and I align it there. Now I'm going to leave it like this for a little while, right? I could select it and join it, right? But I don't want to yet. So I'm going to undo that because I need to use these as alignment markers. Okay. So let's make some spikes. I'm going to start off with the square. I'm going to rotate the square. Okay. There you go. Make it skinny. So now we're getting these little spikes. I guess I always go, you know, vertically in, but I guess I could horizontally squish it. I wonder why I always do it that way. Whatever. I'll do that, and I'll do an outline. Maybe a little bit bigger than that. There we go. And then take a square. First of all, we're going to combine these two. Okay, or not combine, group them. They're grouped. Hold down shift, select that, and then do a difference. Where's our difference? There's our difference. Or Boolean subtract. There we go. So now we've got these scary spikes that we can put on the side here. Okay. There we go. Make sure to bring it in a little bit. Well, actually, it should be out a little bit. And we'll go over that in a little bit too. Okay, so copy that, paste it, and then let's see, we got to mirror it. There we go. Put it over here. Select both these. Let's see, do a horizontal alignment. There we go. And yeah, they still got to be brought in a little bit. Hold down shift so that they go straight in. Okay. Hold down shift. I want it really close to the edge here, but not going through the edge. Okay. And now we'll group them. And let's see, what are we doing here? We will. Yes, there we go. They're grouped. So now we got to center them. So everything's got to be centered now on the or vertical axis. There we go. Okay. We'll select these now, and then we'll do an array. Move this out of the way. And so we'll do, nope, not X columns, Y columns. There you go, something like that. And we'll change the spacing a little bit. That's close enough. Cool. We'll do that. And then we're going to take a line here and draw a line from that point to that point. There we go. Okay, so we got to select this. Okay. And then once we grab the center, so like, oops, there we go. So if I move it off, right, not a big deal, but I want to grab that center. There it is. Whoops. Okay, maybe. So you grab that and put it right there. There we go. Cool. Okay. Now we're going to take another line and wait till it stops right there. There we go. And just go up from there. Okay. So I need to write this down. Oh, that's not a straight line. My bad. Okay. That's the center. Is that the center? That doesn't look like the center. There it goes. That big circle, that's the center. Hold down shift so we know it's straight. There we go. And then right click. Okay. So we might have to write this down, but yeah, 205.549, right? So I guess I'll write that down really fast. Okay. So let's see. 205.549. And then X is 133.702. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this. Let's see, individual it. There you go. Select that one, delete it. Take this and do a circular pattern. Okay. So take that. And our center is going to be what we just wrote down, right? So our X was 205. X was 133. 133.702. And Y was 205.549. There we go. And we only want, I don't know, like, yeah, whatever you think looks good. Make sure it's even though, so you get another spike out here. I'll just do 8. Call that good. Okay. Delete the ones we don't need. Delete these extra lines. So there we go. Get rid of that line. Get rid of that line. Okay, now we're ready to actually put this together. So we can do a union here. Oh man, it's all sorts of to the side, huh? That's weird. So we messed up somewhere. I messed up, not we. Okay, get rid of that. Okay. Let's see, where do we mess up here? So let's see, keep that there. It's this line. This line doesn't need to be deleted here. Okay. All this. We're gonna group it. We're gonna select this, hold down shift, select this, and center it to that. So we'll do a vertical center. There we go. Okay. So now we'll take this one. Oh, ungroup it. Okay. Do another circular array here. The center is 133.702. There we go. CY is 205.549. Okay. Call that good? Cool. Okay, that's looking a little bit better. Cool. Okay. Not too hard to go back and fix things. Okay, get rid of that. Sweet. All right. So yeah, that's looking good. That's right. So now we need to fuse those things. Okay. And then we'll do an outline. And a little bit skinnier. There we go. Okay, so this out one is the one we're going to combine all this stuff out here with. Let's see. There we go. And join. And there it is. Beautiful. Cool. So now we're getting closer to having our cactus. The base here, that was pretty easy. So I take a square, right? Let's see. Doesn't need to be anything exact. But let's grab it. And then the node here, I just gave it a little bit of an angle, right? Copy, paste, mirror it. And then that corner right there I grabbed. And then attached to here. And then I selected the two of them and joined them. And then we do a little bit of an outline. Call that good. Cool. And now I've got a little pot for it to sit in. It's kind of a big pot. That's okay. We'll leave it a big pot. You guys can make your pot as big or small as you want. Okay. Let's grab those. Group those. Take this. Group all that. That way we can combine them correctly. Okay. So we need to find that center point. There it is. And align to that center. Oh, there's a big circle. Cool. Take that and union them. Perfect. So now it's got a little pot to sit in. And now the eyes. So regular eyes I showed you in the last video, but we'll do them again. So hold down shift. Make the little shine spots. Hold down shift. There we go. And then group them. Copy, paste. Okay, take both these. Horizontal align them. There we go. And group these. Put them in here, which are way too big. Bring them in a little bit. There we go. And then to center it, select this and do a vertical center. There we go. Okay. So this one just got eyes, but if you want to do the smile eyes, that's let's see, how do we do that? We do circle. I do a square here and chop off about that much. There we go. So select the circle first, hold down shift, select the box, do a difference. There we go. Okay, now go to our node tool, and I want to select this point and hit B. Oh, no, maybe this point will break. Maybe B is a B for break. Yeah, break shape at point. Yeah, select that, hit B. Okay, there we go. That did it. And I'll drag it away, right? I'll select this and hit D. There we go. So now I've got this curve, right? And I'm going to make it a lot smaller, about as big as these eyes here. Even smaller than that. Okay. Now we're going to do an outline. And yeah, something like that. There we go. Now we can grab that outline and have. I guess I'll let whoever said sad cactus, or I'm gonna copy this, paste it. Let's get rid of the eyes. There we go. Let's just put it right on there, and then hold down Shift, move it. Whoops, move it over. There we go. That's a happy cactus. And then we'll center it vertically. I just grouped those two, by the way. There we go. We got a happy little cactus here. Now, I guess we could use this to actually give it a smile. So I'm going to widen it a little bit. Do another, maybe a little bit bigger than that. There we go. Whoops. Oh, going way too far back. Okay, forward. Okay, gotta select the outside. And I'll just do a mirror. There we go. Grab it over here. Then is there something we can just align it to? There we go. And then drag it down. That's a happy cactus. Cool. But yeah, there's mushrooms, there's cactus. Oh, I guess I can do a color fill. There we go. So that's how I made the cactus. Thanks for watching.